What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cheyenne and Aiden. And here, I'm Cheyenne.
And I'm Aiden.
So today we're going to be building gingerbread houses. So basically, my mom baked these gingerbread houses, and she even made the icing. And if you guys want to make your own, we'll set it in the description below. So I'm so excited because we just get to build our own gingerbread house and put candy and decorate it. But this is basically our glue to stick our candies on because you guys need some candy.
Well, don't actually use real glue.
You just need icing. That we were gonna set the recipe.
But my mom bought candy so we can we can hang on a house and wreaths. We can sell door heel. So yeah, and Hershey Kisses. But taste one of these Hershey Kisses. They'll mint something, and these are good.
So we got some candy right here,
Hershey
and then we
Kisses.
got a whole plate of candy, which it is right here, but I'm trying not to drop it, but this is all of the candy we get to decorate. That's why I'm so excited. So basically, we're just gonna get started. So I'm just gonna cut the icing open for me and Aiden.
Oh, and guys, I hope you guys had a great Christmas.
Yeah, we had so much fun.
I got a great big OC card too.
And I got some AirPods Pro, the new ones,
Yeah.
which was fun.
Oh.
Okay, let's start decorating. Before
I'm so excited. I'm about to do I'm so excited.
I forgot to tell you guys we have some
Can I do it now?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. 3,
Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1,
go! I might have to stay on my knees.
No, Aiden just said.
Hold up. I can't sit.
Guys, my bracelet is going on my gingerbread house. Okay, guys, now that I set the icing on, I'll have to move the scissors. Now it's time to decorate. Guys, I don't know if I should do gumdrops on the top or should I do dots on the top because these are the different ones. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do
Me and my mom baked cookies.
yeah, we baked Christmas cookies for Santa.
So my sister,
Nice one.
I got to help, and my sister got to help too. We made little cookies.
Yeah, we actually made spritzers and peanut butter blossoms.
Look at
which are
mine.
great.
I'm doing oval.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's like mermaid scales.
Yeah, mermaid. Yeah, scales. He's right. Okay, guys, I hope I have enough dots. 'Cause I think I've been eating them.
Look at mine.
Oh, that looks good. You better start hanging some candy on it before it dries. Hold on. Okay, guys, I love decorating these.
Look at mine. Mine looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my! I did
This
not
one,
know.
so, they actually have white caps on them, but this one does not have a cap.
Guys, I did not know mine's good. Wow, this good.
Good.
These are so good. Guys, stop eating that candy.
I want to eat the candy.
My sister's eating candy. Well,
I like to eat candy.
so we ate candy on Halloween. It's like Halloween, but it's different.
Instead, you're decorating a gingerbread house. Okay, guys, I just finished the top.
Is that gonna
Okay.
fall? Wait, do I do it this way?
You can either decorate them that way or you can do it that way.
Oh my god! I'm gonna do it this way.
Okay.
I'm
might
gonna
just
be
decorate-
so sad, guys, if my gingerbread house falls apart because my mom made it all by herself. She made it out of a piece of paper. She printed a gingerbread house out, and
She actually drew it.
yeah.
Not printed.
Well, she had to print a piece of paper out.
Okay, guys, I kind of messed up on my roof.
This is good. I'm scared if it falls apart.
That looks good, Aiden.
If you say so.
Okay, guys. So, I'm just decorating the roof. Okay.
I dropped my leaf.
Oh no! I messed up on mine. I don't know what should I do on my roof. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna hang we have gum, but I don't know if I should do that.
Gum looks fun.
Aiden, The gum is the best. Okay, actually, guys, I might hang some gumdrops.
All icing is like kind of gross, cause
it's just the sugar. Actually, guys, I don't know if I should do that. I don't know if I should do. I'll just hang some gumballs on it. Gumballs. I wish they had red. Oh, they do have red gumballs. I'm like making my red.
my
green.
sister just said, I wish I had gumballs, and I wish come true, and boom.
No, I said I wish they had red ones, and they do.
Oh.
Ooh, what are you gonna hang on yours? I forgot we had M&Ms.
And
I'll just do that for a week.
my mom bought Elise cups too. Actually, we got this for Christmas, so we are using these.
Yeah, I don't know. I might take this
Reese's
apart.
cup is melty.
I don't know what I should do.
My Reese's cup melted. Look, Shai, my Reese's cup melted.
Mine melted too.
Look, my Reese's cup melted.
I forgot we had M&Ms. They're covering up. I'm eating one of my M&Ms because they're
Really,
good.
Shai?
Yeah. M&Ms look better.
Guys, comment down below if this looks good. Well,
we have
when
to
I
turn
turn
it around.
yeah, well, I'm not gonna mess up right now. Well, not like, I don't know.
Guys, so
How do I make my door? Oh, I am a genius right now.
You are.
Oh no.
Okay, guys, I'm just taking apart my gumballs because I forgot I had M&Ms. So there, all we have is just red and green M&Ms. So I might just do a pattern.
Oh my God.
Red and green, red and green, and red.
Red and green, red and green. I got hype in my combi wongy.
Okay, guys, I'm just hanging some things.
My door, guys, my door looks so good.
Okay, guys, so I don't know. Oh, that is so smart.
Please don't copy me.
I promise I'm not. It's your creation. So guys, so we are going to be time-lapsing this video because we've been talking way too much. So when we need to stop our fingers, we're going to do a warp time-lapse.
Yeah, we
One,
keep on
two,
chipping. One,
three.
2, 3.
We are basically almost done. We're finishing up, but I still have a lot more to go.
Okay, guys, so
Third gingerbread, this is how it looks. So look how good I did. So here's the little snowman. There's the car. That's the North Pole. That's my car I made.
okay, so
Then if you go right here, guys, there is. I tried really hard on this side, but then I just did some things right here.
okay, so
I did a heart right here. If you guys, whatever that is.
it's a
Chimney.
chimney.
And this is not the side I'm happy with. Then this side I just doodled off. Like.
Okay, guys, so this is my Santa.
Okay, guys, and I'm gonna turn it around.
No, you knocked my finger!
It's fine.
Knocked my... Someone farted. Okay, so mine...
And I'm flipping
Mine... Okay, so on a rooftop,
Mom,
we
get
got a little thing. And this is what I did.
Oh.
And we got candy cane right here, and we got Santa and a door, and we got a new pool, and we come right here, and a visible car, and here's a little candy cane. What I was going to do, going out of the steps right here, I did it all by myself. My parents didn't help me, and I did like icing right here for like snow, and here's like here, it's like a little thing, and right here, it's like a little doorbell. And right here, here's a Yeti right here. Oh, and here's a Yeti and Santa. It's all from Buddy. And a Yeti. And
So this is the roof. See? And then right here, it should say that. Then right there, then right there. Okay, guys. Then this is the side cutout. Then the angle. Oh yeah, and then the roof. This is like not the roof. This is the front and back. And then right there. And yeah. And oh yeah. Okay, guys. Now that we got finished with our gingerbread houses, which was so fun, and I was so excited because we finally got them done after waiting like hours and letting them dry. Okay. In our next video, we're going to be doing something with these gingerbread houses, so stay tuned and you'll find out. So, before we go, we're just going to tell you guys to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And we post every Friday.